You know what's crazy? My 80-year-old client, Carol, couldn't climb stairs for years. But recently she went on a family trip to San Francisco that required her to climb many stairs, and she didn't even think twice about it. And you wanna know the secret? A 3-phase system that's helping seniors like you rebuild their stair climbing confidence in weeks, not months. By the end of this video, I'll show you the exact method that Carol used, plus a little known technique that makes knee pain practically disappear while climbing stairs. And trust me, this isn't just another do this exercise video. This is something completely different. In my 15 years as a corrective exercise coach, I've helped hundreds of clients over the age 60 get back to climbing stairs confidently. You see, there's something happening in our bodies right now that nobody's talking about. And it's affecting everyone over 60, and it's a hidden reason why stairs become harder each year. The medical term is called sarcopenia, but let me break this down in a way that makes perfect sense. After 60, sarcopenia is more pronounced. Think of it like your muscles are a savings account. Your body starts making automatic withdrawals every single year. About 3 to 5% of your muscle mass just gone. It's like having a bank account where money just keeps disappearing without you spending it. But here's the thing, most people don't notice these small withdrawals until suddenly they need to make a big purchase like climbing stairs. But here's the exciting part, and this is what changed everything for Carol and hundreds of my clients. We can actually reverse this process. Just like you can make deposits into your savings account, you can rebuild your muscle strength at any age. In fact, recent research shows that people in their 60s and 70s or even 80s can regain their strength faster than we ever thought possible. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you with this 3-phase Stairmaster system. I've spent years refining this, and it's completely different from anything you've probably ever seen. Think of it like building a house. You need the right steps in the right order. Phase 1 is what I call the foundation phase. This is where we wake up those sleeping muscles and rebuild your basic strength. Phase 2 is our power phase. This is where the magic really happens. We take the foundation and then we turn it into real world strength. Phase 3 is the mastery phase. This is where we make everything automatic, just like riding a bike. You know that confidence you had 20 years ago? That's what we're bringing back. Now, let's get into our foundation exercise. I call this the power chair rise. And it's going to target exactly what you need for those first few steps on stairs. But here's the key. We're going to do it differently than you've probably seen before. Start with the sturdy chair, okay? Like a dining chair works perfectly. Here's how we do it. Sit towards the edge of the chair. Now, place your feet slightly behind your knees. This is crucial. Now, tilt forward slightly from your hips. And place your hands lightly on top of your thighs. And as you stand up, I need you to think of it like you're trying to leave footprints in wet sand. And this is going to activate exactly the muscles you need for stairs. Now, here are the modifications that make this work for everyone. If this is challenging, use the armrest, okay? There's no shame in that. And if it's too easy, try it without using your hands. And if balance is an issue, do this with your chair against the wall. Now, let me show you what not to do, because these mistakes can rob you of your results. Do not rock forward to get momentum. That's cheating your muscles, okay? And don't let your knees cave inward. Keep them aligned with your toes. And don't hold your breath. Breathe out as you stand up. And here's how to know if you're making progress. You're feeling less shaky whenever you're standing, and you're getting up will feel smoother, and you'll need less hand support. And most importantly, your confidence will start to build. Start with 5 repetitions twice a day. When you can do 10 smooth repetitions without using your hands, you're ready for the next level. And now that we've built your foundation, let me show you something amazing that's going to take your progress to the next level. This next phase is where my clients often tell me they start feeling 20 years younger, and it all comes down to one surprising technique. And if phase one was about building your foundation, phase two is where we turn that strength into real power, the kind that makes stairs feeling easier almost immediately. And remember how well you did with the power chair rise? Well, now we're going to take those same muscles and teach them to work even better. And I call this exercise the step power press, and it's a game changer. So let me share something exciting. This is the exact exercise that helped Carol master going upstairs. But here's what makes it special. We're going to use what I call the 3-2-1 power method. First, let's set this up. Find a step or a sturdy platform about 4 inches high. And if you don't have a step, don't worry. Use a thick book. Now, make sure you have something stable nearby to hold on to if needed. And now here's where the magic happens. We're going to break this into 3 parts. The setup, which is 3 seconds. I need you to stand facing your step with your feet hip width apart and stand tall and proud, okay? Come on, chest up. This posture is crucial for what comes next. The power press, this should take about 2 seconds. Place your stronger foot fully on the step. And here's the secret sauce. I need you to press down through your heel and think about squishing a grape underneath your heel. And what this is going to do is going to activate your muscles instantly. And then we have the rise, which is going to take 1 second. Push up through that heel and then bring your other foot up. And I need you to think light and quick. This 3-2-1 timing is crucial. It's like teaching your muscles to speak a new language. Now, let me show you some insider tips that make this work even better. Keep your chest proud, okay? No hunching. And I need you to look forward and not down. This is going to help with your balance. Now, squeeze your butt muscles as you step up, and this is your power center. Now, breathe out as you push up because this gives you more stability. And here's some common mistakes to watch out for. Don't push off with your back foot. All the power comes from the front foot. And don't rush the setup. Those 3 seconds are golden. Now, don't let your knee cave inward. I need you to keep it aligned with your second toe. And here's how to know if you're doing it right. You'll feel solid and stable, and the movement will feel smooth. You'll also notice less effort needed, and your confidence will grow with each step. And start with 5 repetitions on each leg. And when that feels easy, we'll add what I call the power progression. But don't jump ahead, okay? I need you to master these basics first. And here's something amazing. One of my clients, Richard, who's 82 years young, used this technique for a few weeks. And you know what happened? He went from avoiding stairs to voluntarily taking them. And his wife, Nora, couldn't believe it. And this is where things get really interesting because what I'm about to show you next combines everything you've learned into what I call the master movement. And welcome to phase 3. Now, this is where everything comes together and where my clients often tell me, CC, I can't believe how different stairs feel. Now, remember the foundation we built and the power you've developed? Now we're going to turn that into automatic, confident movement on any stairs you encounter. I call this final exercise the dynamic step master, and it's designed to mirror the real world stair climbing perfectly. But first, let me share something fascinating. Did you know that your body actually learns movements better when you practice them in different ways? And that's exactly what we're going to do. And here's our setup. Find a single step or your practice platform. And I need you to clear space around you, okay? Make sure everything's safe. Then have something stable nearby for support if needed. Now, here's where we combine everything into what I call the flow method. The setup position, I need you to stand arm's length from your step. And remember your good posture from phase 2, okay? Don't forget that. I need your feet hip width apart. And also think tall and confident, okay? Good posture. Now, the flow movement. Go ahead and step up using the power press technique. And here's the new part. As you step down, maintain that tall posture. And control is key, okay? Imagine stepping onto eggshells without breaking them. And keep your movement smooth and flowing. Now, here's what makes this exercise special. We're adding direction changes. Forward step-ups, just like normal stairs. Side step-ups, which is great for balance. And diagonal step-ups, now this is your secret weapon for real stairs. Now here are your success markers to watch out for. Movement should feel smooth and natural, and your balance improves significantly, and your confidence increases. And there should be no hesitation before stairs. And your breathing should stay steady. Now, here's some common adjustments you might need. If balance is challenging, start with forward steps only. And if you feel any knee discomfort, I need you to check your knee alignment. And if you're getting tired quickly, take shorter practice sessions, okay? Now, here's your practice plan. I need you to start with 5 repetitions in each direction. Then rest between the directions and practice twice daily. Then you're gonna progress to 10 repetitions whenever you're ready. And it's okay to add speed, but only when you're completely comfortable, okay? Track your progress with these markers. Week 1, controlled movement. Week 2, increased confidence. Week 3, natural flow. Week 4, automatic movement. And if you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll catch you on the next video.